What not to like about Thailand? Great place on earth, man. Perfect place for vacation. You go there, there's sand, there's sun, there's beach, there's the ocean. People are nice, party hard. In the morning, you end up dead. That's kind of suck, isn't it? I'm gonna tell you how not to be dead. There's many things in Thailand you haven't really thought about when you're going around, mingle with the local. And there are several things you should not be doing. If you do one of these things, you might end up dead, literally. So first one, there's a word in Thailand, we call it a Bangkok Belly, which is like you get really sick after you eat something. You end up in a hospital. Some people end up have to get a surgery. Some people even died. You become unalive, so to speak. All right, let's get on with this, man. You know what you should stay away from? Raw shellfish. I mean, come on, man. There's common sense. I mean, I know you guys love that stuff, you know. It's probably okay if it's cooked. My tip for you, though. If you go up north, there's no ocean. So I wouldn't be ordering any seafood up there. Just saying, it's probably not fresh. A raw shellfish is very deadly and dangerous. Stick with something easy, something hot, right? Something cooked. I have come across a lot of restaurants, even not even shellfish. I'm talking like, chicken. Some in a restaurant in a country, they believe that to keep the chicken moist is to cook it halfway. You want your chicken cooked medium rare. Yeah, that's why you end up dead. Come on, man. Next one. There's another thing that the local usually like to eat, and I highly suggest you not to eat them. We call it lap lut or lap dip. How do you say that? Let's see. All right, here. Lap lut or lap dip. So what it is that it's a raw pork or meat or beef or whatever it is, serving in a dish with its own blood in it, uncooked. Seriously, dude? You gonna eat that? Well, you could if you want to, but if you want to stay alive, stay away from them. Usually they eat it with a sticky rice. That's how you get sick. That's how you die. You can look it up if you want to, but I wouldn't. Outdoor market, especially in a country, they would hang raw meat. It just hang in there in the sun with flies just like covered everywhere. It's not sanitized and it's not clean, and just be careful. So when you go to a restaurant, kind of make sure that they really cook or whatever, cook your meal, cook your food really thoroughly, because you're gonna end up dead. You don't want that to happen. It's kind of hard because you guys are nuts. When you're drunk, you like to try those insects, bugs, scorpions, spiders, I don't know, man, grasshoppers and all that nonsense. It's like a street vendor selling that stuff, and you guys are like buying them. Thing is funny, eating them, posting online, and you end up dead. Mine actually happened to my friend. She ate those scorpions. So what happened was the farmer actually used a pesticide on them. Back in Thailand, I don't know what to call it. They call it DDT. I don't know what it stands for. If you guys know what a DDT is, post in a comment. But actually they used to use that in World War II. The farmers still use them to harvest their bugs and feed it to you guys. Basically what happened was she ate those. Her face swelled up like a balloon, like a pumpkin, like that's that size. And she was gonna lose her eyesight, and her whole body starts to swell up. So they said it's from the pesticide. So another thing, when you go to a restaurant, when you order food, they always come up with like a whole bunch of dishes and like have this like decorative flowers, made from fruit and vegetable. It's like looks super nice, beautifully carved. So don't eat those vegetable or whatever decorative fruit or vegetable, whatever it was, are contaminated by the carver's hands and the tools. They don't clean them, and a lot of time those decorative flowers or whatever you saw on your plate was from leftover vegetable from other guests that's supposed to be tossed away. So they will collect them and carve them and make it look nice. You're not supposed to eat them. But a lot of people don't know that. You end up eating them, and you get sick because those vegetables probably been sitting around for days in some sort of chemical or whatever to make it look fresh. So do not eat those. I know you guys, sometimes you're like, oh, it looks so nice, I'm gonna eat them. Yeah, you're gonna end up dead too. No, seriously. You're gonna end up getting really sick, and you have no idea why. Well, I'm telling you why. Basically, I'm keeping this video short because I don't want to waste any more of your time. If you have any question, leave down a comment and I'll try to answer it to you. And if you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo and I'll see you next time. Peace.